This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cancel your Acorns account. First, ensure all your investments are sold and funds are withdrawn. It's crucial to have a verified checking account linked, as this is where your funds will be transferred. Remember, closing your account means liquidating all investments, which could have tax implications. This process typically takes 3 to 6 business days to complete, so plan accordingly. Before you proceed with closing your Acorns account, it's important to check for any pending transactions. This includes any roundups or recurring investments that might still be processing. You'll need to allow these to clear completely before you can finalize your account closure. Also, be aware that selling your investments, whether at a gain or a loss, can affect your tax situation, so consider consulting a tax professional. To begin the cancellation process, log in to your Acorns account using either the mobile app or the website. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings or Profile and Settings menu. From there, look for My Subscription or a similar option. You will then find the Close Account or Cancel Subscription link. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your decision and complete the necessary steps. After successfully closing your Acorns account, your liquidated investment funds will be transferred to your linked bank account. This process typically takes 3 to 6 business days to fully reflect. Keep an eye out for any tax forms, like Form 1099, that Acorns may send you, as these are important for your tax filing. Also, if you're looking for some amazing socks with a lifetime warranty, check out the link in the description along with other great deals. Remember, you can always reopen your Acorns account in the future if you change your mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.